What's up, my crew that loves to drink cold brews? I'm your host, Paul, and welcome to another sensational segment here on Sons of Suds. Today we got high. How high? High water high. We're in Lodi, California at High Water Brewing Company. Join us. Delicious. This right here is High Water Brewing Company's Sugaree pecan pie deliciousness. It's amazing. It's 9.8%, so it's a heavy hitter, full-bodied, but well-balanced, smooth, crisp, and it literally just tastes like a pie in a bottle. High Water was started by Steve Altmari, who started in 2011, whose last name actually translates from Italian to High Water, so cheers to that. And you know, this is just delicious, it's amazing. I can't do it justice by describing it to you, but you can do it justice by going down to your local Bevmo, Kroger, Total Wine, or if you're in Lodi, California, stopping by High Water and getting yourself some of this deliciousness yourself. From me to you, cheers, and thank you. And remember to subscribe and like for more awesome content. And as always, support local independent breweries. Cheers, guys. It's delicious. It's amazing, and it's perfect for the season. For me to you, cheers, and cheers. What did I say?